I have bought this solar fountain online for under $10. I will show all the attachments and also show its performance in this video. In this solar fountain there are no batteries, it runs completely on the sunlight. It will stop when there is no sunlight. There are 6 different type of fountain heads. I will use this attachment to connect it with the motor. Then I will use this second attachment. And then I will put one of the fountain head on top of this second attachment. I will just try changing the fountain head. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.